Okay, what I have here is a Ludwig Junior kit I picked up on Facebook Marketplace. It's been on the shelf, never even set it up before. All I've done to it is the tom has a hole in it here, but all I've done to it is tune the snare drum up a little bit, and I cut a hole in the front of the bass drum and I put some muffling in there, actually grocery bags. It has these tiny little pedals, this little pedal here, cantilevered there, and what I did this, what my experiment is I want to, this tightens, there we go. Pretty fun. Okay, it's somewhat tight now. Stick one in someplace. This little hi-hat's pretty exciting. So I'm gonna play it for you the way it is, right out of the box, so to speak. And then I'm gonna redo all the heads and see what we come up with. I did a Make a Bad Drum Sound Good demo a few years back. I think this is an 8, 10, and 12, I think, maybe 13. I'll have to get the measurements for it. I'll be later in the video. I'll have the measurements. Here we go. For the cymbals too. So I'm going to redo this whole thing and then do another demo of it. Snare doesn't really sound too bad. It's no name heads, no name snares. I might hold on. We'll see. super kick 1. I'll put a couple real cymbals on here, bronze instead of brass. Put this up here. But anyway, here's the sound of the drums now in comparison. Bass drum pedal on here now. I'm not hitting the center of the drum, unfortunately, because it's too tall. A little bit close to the center of the drum. I have to restructure the cam on